have it.
Be careful. I tried doing double, but she wouldn't let me.
Oh, 4 straws? Yeah, I mean, that's going to be a little bit of a challenge.
There you go.
Okay, thank you. How you doing? Must be trying to save money on carriers or something. Have it in that carrier. Now, stick them in here. One there. A smaller one here. Bigger one there. And a big one here. Okay. Turn that over. I think we're good there.
Head to your drop-off at 86231 Lehua Street.
Let them know. On my way. I'll be waiting out front of the driveway. Could you
just
grab
ahead,
some
turn right on Mill Street.
hot sauce package, please? Problem is you're asking for these things after you already called.